Today we will be reviewing the Nerf Falcon Fire. Hey guys, Super MNJ20K here, and today I'm reviewing the Nerf Falcon Fire. Today is going to be a Jack takeover because I bought the Nerf Falcon Fire. I thought this thing looks awesome, very comfortable to hold. I love placing in these darts, and it uses the Accustrike series darts because it is an Accustrike series gun. It's supposed to be more accurate, but this little piece right here that holds the darts, that is probably not included with your purchase because I got this like a special deal at Walmart. It's pretty good. I love this gun. And hopefully you see our Atlas review soon. It's coming out. Mike should be uploading it. But yeah, it feels very comfortable. I love the priming thing. Let's take a shot. Pretty good, pretty good. So, I'm gonna shoot again. Pretty good. Alright, highly recommend. But I know the fan's on back there because it's like 80 degrees here, but it's really good. So, yeah, it shoots like about 54 feet per second, 54 FPS. Sorry. That I'll watch it later. Later. Like a few minutes. They attacked me, and I restored this a couple times before, so you're getting this. Very good for battle. I just shot him. Highly recommend to buy it. Great blaster. Super MJ20K signing off. See you in the next vid. Bye. Sorry if this video feels kind of rushed. They're out there. It's late at night, so see you next time. Stay classy. Bye.